One of the least expected causes of wrinkles is simply your sleeping posture. If you sleep on your side or on your stomach, your face might be pressed into your pillow, causing your skin to fold up and form vertical wrinkles. Today's video will discuss this anti-wrinkle, anti-neck pain hack costs you nothing. Since we all spend around a third of our lives asleep, these sleep lines get repeatedly reinforced and etched into your skin over time, like folds in leather shoes. The best way to avoid these is by sleeping on your back. 1. Train yourself to sleep on your back. One easy and free way of training yourself into back sleeping is by using a rolled up towel under your neck. A towel instead of a pillow eliminates the possibility of your face pressing against dry cotton overnight. It also flattens out any chest wrinkles that can form when you sleep on your side. 2. The towel rolling method. Lay out your towel and smooth out any lumps. Fold it in half. Take the short side and start rolling it up tightly. Use hair bands or string and tie the ends so it doesn't unravel in the middle of the night. Remove your pillow and place the towel where your neck will go. Lie down on your back so the towel is supporting your neck. If the towel isn't comfortable, you can experiment with larger or smaller towels, or by placing a low pillow under your head. It should feel solid and snug, pressing at the base of your head. But the real benefit of sleeping with a rolled up towel under your neck: decreased risk of neck pain. This makeshift pillow really supports your neck as you shift throughout the night. The tighter you roll it, the harder it'll be, mimicking the relaxing effects of a foam roller without all the pain. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in my comments section below.